Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable setting app on your Windows 11. Okay, in this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. So first press Windows key button and here you need to press search edit group policy and open it. Okay, and here guys in the edit group policy you can follow this method. In the left panel here you can get the option local computer policy, just select it, and in the right panel open user configuration. Okay, just double click and open it, and here open administrative templates like this. Okay, and here you can get control panel folder, just double click and open it, and here you can get the value prohibit access to control panel and PC settings, just double click and open it. Okay, like this. By default it was set to not configured. If you want to disable these settings on your Windows 11, just you need to select enable option, click on apply, and then click on OK. That's it. After this guys, just close this and restart your PC one time. After restarting, the settings will apply on your PC. So this is the very easy and very simple method to disable the settings app on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.